What's up, do-it-yourselfers? Thanks for tuning in to Small Engine Repair Channel, where our main goal is to make sure you know that you have the ability to fix or repair whatever you want to take on. Alright, as always, thanks for tuning in to Small Engine Repair Channel, and we're going to get a nice little welcome from our friend Lindsay as well. Here we go. On today's tutorial, we will be going over a walk-behind mower service. First, we're going to go ahead and flip it over on its side. You'll see I have a drain pan there just kind of waiting for me. And the first thing is make sure it's not going to flip over all the way on you. You don't want this machine upside down. Alright, whatever catch pan you've decided to use, go ahead and put it under the dipstick hole. Remove the dipstick to drain the oil just like